na program ino ira see to it that 274 farmers across Embu County ni mara receive uteithio ni instruction na directive ira twanyitire from His Excellency the President baria augire food and nutrition security ni agenda iria arenda Kenyans to to be able to observe. Na ndiria His Excellency the President avesanire that directive ni twathomithirio kuthondeka programs iria ira respond to food and nutrition security. NARI being one of them, na twina program about 17 programs within the Ministry of Agriculture ira implementwa in different parts of the country in response to food and nutrition security. Riu gikundi giki kiria gifunditwo na CIG level ni maraverwe 5 mbia ya county ciao ta gikundi cia 581,000 mafunditwe ta CIG level. Riu ni turenda mambiriria activity yo, ni turenda kuma build capacity yao nikenda mavote kuma level ya CIG mathie producer organization level ira tukuvota kumava more support in terms of technical support na capacity na tumaongerere even funding nikenda mavote kuruta biashara across this value chain na makauma from even hatching mavote ku expand mambie kuvesa na other services and ankoni extension services, feed formulation, just creating business entities amongst the community members themselves.
Tokete kurumiria ikundi ira ivetwe mbeca ni thirikari ya inene ya national government na ya county maunduri mana mara matiganite maria mara supportwa ni murandi witagwa NARI. Maundu mau ni mariku urithia wa nguku, urithia wa ng'ombe na kurutha irio ciacio, ucio ingi ni urimi wa maembe na value chain yamo na ngina.
Tambugare twekirite bindi muno turi atumia na athuri na youth yetu niguo tuvotwana kugia na kumasariria mawira ma kuruta tondu tariu gutena mawira kwina thina nyingi. Koguo nituravoya Ngai athie agitutethagia niguo tuvote gukuria itura riri wana youth metu mavote kugia na mawira ma kuruta niguo at least tukorwe tugitethania na tukurie bururi twi vamwe. Na ni tuonete faida nene tondu kuma twagwatana ni tucenjanitie ideas nyingi ana tuka improve on kitchen management, akora ni buying of utensils na gutethania kimikarire macio mothe tuthiete tugitethanagia.
Guku kwina so many raw materials, twina sunflowers, kwina mbembe na indo icio cionthe twina cio guku no still gutire njira ya gutuma turithia ng'ombe cietu nacio wega. Riu program ino ni tutethetie nginya na kithomo na ukethira ni turambiria kumenya kuthondeka irio icio. Equipment ici tuguriritwe na ciengi iciukite cia ingredients ni gututethia muno gu suppress cost ya production. Na ucio niguo undu uria gikeno gietu ati iria rietu ria tukuproduce guku produce na bei ya nthi. Mundu no oke na mbembe ciake na sunflower ciake tukiongerera indo ici ciengi ukithira ona bag imwe rari ume 1700 ni korari